Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello kids and parents. In this video, we will learn action verbs. Let's get started. Run. Run. Running is an action verb. Jump. Jump. Jumping is an action verb. Eat. Eat. Eating is an action verb. Sleep. Sleep. Sleeping is an action verb. Sit. Sit. Sitting is an action verb. Stand. Stand. Standing is an action verb. Walk. Walk. Walking is an action verb. Clap. Clap. Clapping is an action verb. Dance. Dance. Dancing is an action verb. Sing. Sing. Singing is an action verb. Play. Play. Playing is an action verb. Cry. Cry. Crying is an action verb. Laugh. Laugh. Laughing is an action verb. Talk. Talk. Talking is an action verb. Throw. Throw. Throwing is an action verb. Catch. Catch. Catching is an action verb. Write. Write. Writing is an action verb. Draw. Draw. Drawing is an action verb. Read. Read. Reading is an action verb. Swim. Swim. Swimming is an action verb. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.